Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at and unboxing the Moto G Stylus 5G. This is the 2024 variant. I did already cut the tape on it just because we're doing this one-handed because I'm holding my iPhone to record this video. But we're going to take a look at this. I picked this up. I've been very happy with my Moto Razr. I like the software on it. Very, very snappy phone. I've done a couple of reviews on it as well, so you can check those out on the channel. So I figured we would check out another Motorola phone, and it was on sale at Best Buy for $249. As you can see there, it is the 2024. So we're going to pop the top off this and go ahead and take a quick look at it. This is just an unboxing. We'll be doing a review later on. Me looking at the camera here. Just take the phone out. It's got some nice weight to it. Not too heavy, not too light. Doesn't feel cheap. Take a look in the box here. And a little piece of cardboard there. And just your paperwork and USB-C cable in there. We're just going to leave that in the box now. I don't need any more USB-C cables out at the moment. So we'll take that over there. We'll go ahead and take a quick look at the phone. So again, this is the Stylus. They do have a few different versions of the Moto G series, the Moto G Play, the Moto G Power, all that kind of stuff. This is kind of the top of the G series line from Motorola. We do have a kind of textured back. It's not plastic or glass. It is a kind of like almost like a leather material. It's not real leather, obviously. Sides are plastic, and then we do have the screen right on the front here. Now, for a $249 device, like I said, pick this up on sale. I think it regular is $299 or $399. I want to say $399. It does have an OLED display with 120 hertz refresh rate, so it is pretty good. It also has, whoa, what's that? A headphone jack. That's pretty nice, and it's even got a stylus. Now, this isn't like a S Pen or anything like that, like you get with the Galaxy Ultra series. It doesn't have any Bluetooth functionality. It doesn't have any kind of stuff like that. It is just a stylus on the screen, but nonetheless, it is in the phone. It does have some stuff that it, well, you know, works with when you take it out. You can take notes and stuff like that. So again, for the price of $249, you can't expect all the features of an S Pen, but you're also not paying $1,200 for the phone. So very, very nice if you want to save a little bit of money, but still get most of that functionality of a device like that. I'm going to go ahead and get this set up and everything, and we'll come back in another video and take a look at it. But there we go. You do have your SIM tray right there. It also does have eSIM if you are curious. And then your buttons on the side there, power and volume. And it does have an in-screen fingerprint sensor for unlocking as well as face unlock. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.